My advice for first-time farmers would be just to discover what suits you and your soil and growing conditions. Just because somebody else likes growing sunflowers doesn't mean you will like that.
Learning is such an important part of farming. Finding that sweet spot where you can manage your farmland and learn and grow is just a really important thing.
You know, you want to grow enough where you have quantity, but at the same time, you also want to figure out what you like.
There's an association of specialty cut flower growers that we became a part of, which has been a really big source of information, and we have drawn so much inspiration from other flower farmers.
So one of our favorite implements on the farm is our John Deere rotary tiller. We use it for terminating our cover crop, prepping beds for planting. It's something that gets a lot of use on the farm because we're constantly planting throughout the year.
The biggest dream for our farm is to continue being an important part of our community. It's more than flowers. It truly is.